Hey everybody, and welcome back. This is our 8th example of our Math ACT Prep. And today I'm going to show you an example that I bet 99% of students taking the Math ACT won't know. Alright, this little trick is going to come into a lot of handy. Alright, so let's read the question first. It says, what is the greatest common factor of 42, 126, and 210? Well, we all remember factors from elementary school, and so we're tempted to start with 110. And then from there, we know that it's even, so we'll do 2, and then 105, and then 105 is divided by whatever. But we're not going to do that. It takes too long, and it has too much room for error. So what we're going to do, and notice how we switch to blue pen, we're going to do it much simpler, much faster. And this is all you have to do. This works with 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and write our numbers out. All right. And then let's figure out what we want to divide them by. What amongst these 3 numbers can be divided? Let's not overcomplicate it. Let's just go ahead and go with 2. They're all even numbers, right? So then we'll get 21, 63, and 105. All right. And then from these, it looks like we could probably divide by a 7, which will go in here 3 times. Here 9, and 15 into here. Which, by the way, if you didn't see that 105 could be divided by 7, remember, you do have a calculator, so you could always just try it out, see if it works or not. All right? And then from here, we can see that these are all divisible by 3. So we'll take that, which will give us a 1, a 3, and a 5. And since there's a 1 right here, this is where we stop. Anytime you get to a 1, you're done with factoring. All right? And now here's the really cool part. All we're going to do is take this number, and this number, and multiply them. So 3 times 7 times 2 is equal to 42. And that, my friends, is the right answer. It is that simple. So you could have solved this pretty much 5 or 6 different ways, but it would have taken you who knows how much time. But with the way that we just did it, it took us all of 30 seconds. And remember, we're all about saving time on the Math ACT. Thanks, and we'll see you at the next example.